I don't feel like going to the gym right now. I'm just too tired. Yeah, that's right. I'll just go to the gym whenever I feel like it, when I have the energy. If I go to the gym today, everyone's gonna look at me. Everyone's gonna judge me, gonna make fun of me. I'd rather stay home. The gym is gonna be so packed today. It's not really worth the hassle. I'll have to be waiting for equipment. I only have 30 minutes to work out. It's not worth it. I'd rather go to the gym when I have the time. I need to pack my clothes, pack my bags. I don't even have my pre-workout ready. It's just not worth it. I'd rather stay home. I'll be prepared next time. Does these reasons sound familiar to you? Are these the exact things you tell yourself that prevents you from going to the gym or being consistent with the gym? In this video, I'm gonna share with you tips and habits I use to be able to be consistent on my fitness journey for 2 years straight. I hope you can get something new out of this so I can help you get on track with your fitness journey. With that being said, let's get to the video. So number one, you can make it easier for yourself, and there are many ways to do this. How? You can pack your bag in advance. Pack your gym equipment, your hygiene equipment, whatever you need in your gym bag. Pack it in advance the day before. You can even put it in your car if that makes it easier for you. Because while you're struggling getting your stuff together, you can kind of convince yourself midway to not go to the gym. This is not worth it. This doesn't even matter. I'm not even gonna make any progress. These are the lies we tell ourselves, and sometimes we believe it. Another way to make it easier is pack your clothes in advance. Or if you work out early in the morning, you can even wear your clothes before you go to bed. By the time you wake up, you're already ready and you're committed, and you'll already be heading to the gym without a second thought. Another way to make it easy is prepare your drinks, pre-workout, energy drinks, any beverage you want, anything that can incentivize you to go to the gym. Make it effortless. Make it easy on yourself. Sometimes, even if it's just ourselves, we need to show ourselves that we care about us. And when you feel like someone cares about you, like someone packed your bags for you, like someone packed your clothes for you or your drinks, even if it's just yourself, it gives you motivation. And do this every day. You won't even think about going to the gym. You'll just do it. Number two, just focus on showing up. Most people, even myself, I have to admit, I was focused on being perfect. If I wasn't 100% energetic or I didn't feel well, I would just skip the gym. But you have to build a habit. Just focus on showing up to the gym. Give yourself permission. If in 5 minutes you still don't feel like going to the gym, give yourself permission to leave. But at least you showed up. And most people, once they get to the gym, they're not really gonna leave in 5 minutes. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting there in the first place. Do this for yourself. Do this for your family, the people who love you and care about you. Number three is eliminate decision making. Make sure you have a workout plan, because most people, the reason why they quit the gym is because they show up, they do random exercises, they don't progress, and then they quit. When you have a plan, it should be suitable for you. It's doable. It's realistic. Make sure you're logging your progress, because what isn't measured isn't managed. Make sure you're writing it down. Make sure you're using an app. Anything that can tell you, that can give you data, whether you're getting stronger, getting faster, whatever metric you can use to see that you're making progress in the gym. You also want to keep it simple. You don't need 100 million different exercises in one workout. 2 or 3 is enough per muscle to see some progress. Make sure you're just doing enough to stimulate growth, and then get the hell out of there and recover and be better for next time. You don't need to run yourself into the ground and wonder why nothing is working. Everyone needs rest and recovery. Going to the gym is just one part of it. Number 4, make the gym enjoyable. How? You can pair entertainment with the gym. What do I mean? Think of music, your favorite podcast, movies. If you want to watch a movie, fine, but do it at the gym. This will give you a reason to keep going to the gym, because you're pairing something you love with going to somewhere you might not like. You can also go with a friend. Going with a friend can help you, because sometimes people are just scared to be alone. People are intimidated. They feel like everyone's watching them. So what better way to feel like you're just hanging out with someone is with going with a friend. Go with a loved one. Go with your girlfriend. Go with your family. Anyone. You can also reward yourself. Let's say you went to the gym consistently for a month. Reward yourself, just not with food. Maybe you can buy some new gym clothes. You can buy some new gym equipment. Basically a reward for staying consistent. Guys, if you're enjoying the topic, please abuse the like button. With that being said, let's continue. Number 5, make the gym fun. Don't do exercises that you don't enjoy. That will just make you hate it. Whatever you enjoy doing at the gym, just continue. It's a place where you can find enjoyment. It's a place where you can make progress, be a better version of yourself. Don't waste your time doing exercises you hate because you're not gonna stick to it. Remember, the main goal is to make it sustainable, make it easy, and make it effortless. Guys, please punch the subscribe button, and if you're interested on how to manage food cravings, click here and see you next time.